Good morning, USA, and today I'm doing a review on my baby birds. See, there's one right there. See, there he is. See, he's got legs, all that like that. Give me, baby. There's another one right there, see? It's got, they look a little bit like frogs. Yeah. This one's got feathers. Did you get me? Nope. Didn't get me. Come here, baby. Come here. Here's another baby bird right there. See? See his beak? You see his beak? Yep, that's his beak. I think that one right there is a runt. Hi, birdie. Hi, birdie. Yeah, that's my little baby birds. Yeah. Yeah. Are my little baby birds right there. Yep, there they are. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video of the review of my baby birds. So please subscribe and have an American day.